Hey gorgeous, welcome back to That Girl Reads, the channel where we break down books so you don't have to. I'm so excited you're here. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we drop new book summaries every week. Today we are diving into one of the most talked about relationship books of all time, Why Men Marry Bitches by Sherry Argov. Yes, the title is bold, and yes, the lessons are even bolder. So grab your tea, get comfortable, and let's get into it. What the book is about. So first things first, what exactly is this book about? Despite the spicy title, this book is not about being mean or rude. The word bitch here actually stands for a woman who is confident, independent, and knows her worth. Sherry Argov wrote this book to help women understand why men commit and what makes a man go from casual dating to actually putting a ring on it. Lesson 1. The first big lesson is this. A man is more likely to marry a woman who has her own life, her own goals, and her own happiness. Why? Because a woman who doesn't need a man is incredibly attractive to one. The moment you make a man your whole world, he starts to lose interest. Keep your independence, keep your hobbies, keep your friends. That is what makes him want to lock you down. Lesson 2. Stop being so available all the time. Now, this doesn't mean play games. It simply means have a life outside of him. When you drop everything for a man too soon, he starts to take you for granted. Sherry says a man values what he has to be patient for. So take your time, don't rush, and let him put in the effort. Lesson 3 is all about attitude. The woman a man marries is not the one who lets him walk all over her. She's the one who has standards and sticks to them. You teach people how to treat you. So if something bothers you, speak up. If a boundary is crossed, address it calmly but firmly. A confident woman who respects herself will always stand out. Lesson 4. This one is so important. Many women make the mistake of changing themselves completely to keep a man interested. Sherry says, don't do it. The woman he fell for is the woman you need to stay. Keep doing the things you love, keep your personality, keep your opinions. A man marries the woman who stays true to herself. Lesson 5. And the final lesson, confidence is everything. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to believe in yourself. Walk into every room like you belong there. Know your worth and don't settle for less. That energy is what makes a man think, I need to make her mine.